Have you ever wondered who the richest actor in Nollywood Yoruba really are? From luxury mansions to exotic car and jaw-dropping bank balance. In today's video, we will be counting down to the top 10 richest Yoruba actors in Nigeria, breaking down their wealth, their mansion, their cars, and how their empire is being built. Make sure you stay to the end because some names might surprise you. Starting the list with Olatayo Omokade, popularly known as Ijebu, was born on May 9, 1952 in Ikeneremo, Ogun State. He is 46 years old and was born to Mr. and Mrs. Kolawole Omokade. He is the youngest of 5 children. He earned his diploma in mass communication from Ibadan Polytechnic and later trained at Muyiwa Ademola Authentic School of Drama for 7 years. Before fame, he worked as a personal assistant to Soyeri and today he is a comedy icon. In 2024, he appeared in major films including Beast of Two Worlds, Ajakoju, which made him 73 million naira at the box office, and Lee Shabi the uprising of Netflix. His earlier classic Mini and Ambly, which he produced, remain one of the biggest career milestones with over 200 movies credits. He is known as one of the most consistent comedy actors in the industry. His estimated net worth is around $300,000 and around 450 million naira. He has been married to Okpeyemi Popoola for over 10 years, the Knight in School, and have 4 children. Over the years, he has publicly celebrated his wife, gifted her a car, and launched businesses, including a multi-million launch in Ogun State. Next on the list is legendary actor Adebayo Salami, aka Oga Bello, the godfather of Yoruba Nollywood with 18 children. Born May 9, 1953 in Lagos State, he is 72 years old and originally from Pakata Oloje in Ilorin, Kwara State. He started acting at 12 years old with a young concert party and took over when Baba Mero passed. He's married to Alaja Ejide since 1975, Omotayo Sanusi since 2016, and is still active. It's celebrating 60 years on the stage in 2025 with a cinema movie produced by Femi Adebayo and released Our Excellency in 2025. He stayed in Jagun Jagun the Warrior, The Monkey Men, King of Teens, and the classic like Ajani Ogun, Kadara, and Ogun Ajaye. Oga Bello is worth $350,000, about 530 million naira. After 6 decades in Nollywood, he's handed every kobo. He even served as the president of Nigeria Association of Theatre Arts Practitioners from starting at 12 to rising a dynasty of 18. Educated children after 60 years in Nollywood. Oga Bello proves that legacy is more than money. It's in the people you shape. Next on the list is Afeez Owo, the man who went from managing his late mother-in-law to marrying her daughter and building an empire. Born August 12, 1971 in Lagos State. He's 54 years old and originally from Oyo State. He started acting at the age 50 and wrote his first script in primary school. He's married to Mide Martins, daughter of legendary Fumi Martins. His movies are fire. He stayed in Ninu Ayekeji, Ajako Akata, Ibiowo, and premiered Prophecy in December 2025, and produced classics such as Omo Alaja, Kokoro, and Atumbotan. He even won the Best Supporting Actor at the City People Entertainment Award. Afeez Owo is worth $450,000, about 675 million naira, with over 200 movies under his belt. He's an actor, director, and producer all in one. Next on the list, we have Muyiwa Ademola, a man who went from reading his book by local arms to making millions in Nollywood. Muyiwa Ademola was born January 26, 1971 in Abeokuta, Ogun State. Born to Prince Isaiah Ademola and Mama Rebecca Ademola, he grew up very poor and has shared that he lived in one of the toughest slums in Ibadan with no electricity for years. But look how far he has come. This man just broke box office record in 2025. His film Ori the Rebirth made an incredible 269 million naira in just 3 weeks, making it the highest grossing indigenous Nollywood film. He invested over 400 million naira to produce the and the movie stars big names like Shola Sobowale, Toyin Abraham, Odunlade Adekola, and Lateef Adedimeji. It's also been hits like Badara 2, Yawo Alaja 4, and the original Ori from 2004, which won Best Indigenous Film at AMA 2005. Muyiwa is the CEO of Muyi Authentic Presentation and runs the Authentic School of Drama. Now let's talk about money. As of 2026, Muyiwa estimated net worth is about $650,000, which is about 976 million naira. From reading by Landlight to having a billionaire, this right here is a testimony. He earned a degree in adult education from the University of Ibadan, and his journey has inspired many. Next on the list is Lateef Adedimeji, a man who went from being called the crying machine to playing legendary warriors. Lateef was born on February 1st, 1984 in Isolo, Lagos State. This 41-year-old star grew up in Jakote Estate after being born in Oshodi, an Egba boy from Abeokuta. He started acting when he was just 15 and never looked back. He studied mass communication at Olabisi Onabanjo University, and today is happily married to his beautiful actress Mobi Nkpe. In 2025, he executed, produced, and starred Lishabi The Uprising. A Legend is Born on Netflix, where he played a powerful Egba warrior. You remembered Ayinla in 2021. That was him too. He also stayed in 7 Doors on Netflix and Abanu Shete The Ancestral. He's the brand ambassador for Airtel Nigeria and Numatu Mega City. This man is everywhere. Lateef estimated net worth in 2026 is $700,000, which is estimated to about 1.1 billion naira. From dancing school days to acting fame, this man chose the right path. He even worked with UNICEF because of his writing and creativity. Next on the list is Ibrahim Abiodun Chatta, who went from selling meat and conducting buses to owning a film village worth 1.4 billion naira. Meet the multi-talented Ibrahim Chatta, who was born on October 13, 1970 in Kwara State. He's 55 years old. Most people think he's Yoruba, but surprisingly, he's actually Takpa. His mother from Muda Keke in Osun State was his biggest inspiration until she passed away in 2018. His movies are legendary. In 2024, he starred in The House of God and Lishabi on Netflix. He also featured in Jagun Jagun the Warrior and the classic Ayekoto, which made him a household name. He's also a singer with over 100 soundtracks and is the brand ambassador of Amtex Clothing, Netflix Global Travels and Tour. Ibrahim net worth in 2026 is estimated at $2.2 million, around 3.3 billion naira. His African village and resort alone is worth 1.44 billion and sits on 74 acres of land. From ice cream and conducting buses to owning a film empire, Chatta proved that hard work and faith pays off. Show some love for Chatta by dropping some love emoji in the comment section. Next on the list is Ibrahim Yekini, a man who almost became a professional boxer but chooses movie instead. Ibrahim Yekini, also known as Itele, the icon, born on 21st January 1980 in Lagos State, grew up in Kano. He is 45 years old, originally from Lafena, Abeokuta. He trained to be a professional boxer, but his godfather told him to forget boxing, focus on acting. Best advice ever. He got this nickname Itele from his first movie Itele. His movies are everywhere. He said in Warlord, Olori Ogun, Abani Shete, The Ancestral, Kesari, Lucifer, and Netflix, Jagun Jagun the Warrior. He has written, produced, and directed many of these films, showing he doesn't play. Even with the recent movie Kole Osho, Ibrahim estimated net worth is $2.4 million, around 3.6 billion naira, from boxing gloves to billionaire check. He's also a brand ambassador for Fair Money and My Medicine, from almost being a boxer to becoming Kesari the King, worth over $1 billion naira. Ibrahim proved that destiny chooses you. Next on the list is Kunle Afolayan, the man who said goodbye to a banking job to become Netflix golden boy. Born September 30th, 1975 in Ebute Meta, Lagos State. He's 49 years old from Igbomina, Yoruba in Kwara State. He's the son of legendary Adilo. Today, he's married to Tolu Afolayan and they have 4 kids. His movies are legendary in 2024. He premiered The Recall of his Anikula co-franchise on Netflix, his global top 10. He made Netflix top 10 in its country and classic like Citation. He's also a brand ambassador for Pavilion Africa, Air France and Global Kyle. His worth is about $3.1 million, about 4.7 billion naira. He owns Golden Effects Pictures and the Kunle Afolayan Production Film Village in Oyo State. From banker to billionaire filmmaker, quitting banking to becoming Netflix's favorite Nigerian director, reconciling after decade and navigating family drama, Kunle Afolayan proved that talent and determination can take you to the top anytime. Next on the list, we have Odunlade Adekola, was born on December 31st, 1976 in Abeokuta, Ogun State. He originally came from Otun Ekiti in Ekiti State. Odunlade has been married to his wife Ruth Adekola Adekola since 2003, and together they have 4 children. He released many popular movies including Lakatabu Deity, Warlord, Olori Ogun, and From My Area. He also owned Odunlade Adekola Film Production, one of the well-known production companies in the Yoruba movie industry. He has worked as a brand ambassador for Global Icon, Goldberg, and Revolution Plus Property. Adding more success to his career, Odunlade is not just famous but also very successful. His estimated net worth is about $3.2 million, which is roughly 4.8 billion naira. He earns from acting, movie production, endorsement, and his personal businesses. Today, Odunlade Adekola remains one of the most loved and recognized actors in Nigeria, from his powerful roles to his iconic facial expression that became popular. His journey is a story of a talent, hard work, influence, and success. He's truly one of the biggest names in the Yoruba Nollywood. And finally, we have Femi Adebayo Salami. Femi is a man who left the courtroom for the movie industry and never turned back. He was born on December 31st, 1976 in Ilorin, Kwara State, and he is 48 years old. Femi is the son of the legendary actor Adebayo Salami, also known as Oga Bello. Yes, he shares the same birthday with Odunlade Adekola, which made him one of Nigerian royal movie sons. Before acting fully, Femi studied law at the University of Ilorin and ended another law degree from the University of Ibadan, making him a certified lawyer. In December 2025, he released The King of Thieves in cinema. He also became even more famous after his Netflix movie Jagun Jagun entered the global top 10 on the list. As of 2026, Femi Adebayo's estimated net worth is around $4.2 million. And that's a wrap on the top 10 richest Yoruba male actors in 2026. Who surprised you the most? Drop their names in the comments, and who do you think should have made the list? If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell